So students, in our previous class, we have finished till deleting a costume. Okay, we have finished till deleting a costume. I have also forwarded you. I can tell related solution. This solution is also forwarded in your PDF. So today we learn changing the backdrop. Okay, it means changing the background area of the sprite. Okay, changing the background of a sprite. Let's start. Animated movies are pictured in different locations or backgrounds to make them more relatable. How do you think the movie Lion King would have looked if it had a space backdrop? The backdrop is an image used to change the background of the stage. The backdrop is similar to a costume, except that it covers the entire stage area and is present in the backdrop area. Okay, so basically backdrop is known as the background picture. Okay, similar, just like you are sitting in your home, so your house which is visible behind you is your backdrop area. Okay, so next page, page number 78. While choosing a fish sprite, we must change the backdrop to show water, as fish cannot survive on the land and they need water. The steps to change the backdrop area are given below. Click choose a backdrop option on the bottom right corner. Select the backdrop of your choice. So let's start. I am going to show you practically. So we have to remove this backdrop, remove this sprite. Then here, choose a sprite, animals, scroll down. We have to put a fish picture here. As you can see, the fish picture appeared here. Now we will learn how to change the backdrop. To change the backdrop here, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see there, choose a backdrop. You have to click on it and you can scroll down or you can click on underwater. Then you have to again click it. So you can this way you can change the backdrop of a sprite. Okay, as fish cannot live without water, so whenever you are putting a sprite, you must change the backdrop area according to the character that you are putting on. Okay, next page number 79. The mute backdrop will appear. Background can be added going to backdrop tabs and palettes as well. So backdrops can be added, deleted, or edited using a paint editor just like costume. Default Scratch backdrops have the extension .png. These can also be exported into our computer. So we can also edit, we can also change the size, shape of the backdrop. Okay. Here, by clicking the paint option, we can draw anything or edit background here. Okay. As you can see, if I want to draw anything, I have to draw it here. Okay. Whatever I am drawing here, it will be visible on the backdrop area. Okay. For example, I am doing something, then look, it appeared on backdrop area. So if you want to edit something, you can also do it. Okay. Then by clicking on undo option, you can remove the changes that you have made recently. Next, using next backdrop block. This block changes the stage to the next background images. It is most used when one needs to change the background mid-story. It is available under the looks block category. Let's see how to change next background, how to use next background. So first, we will operators, we will go to 1 minute. When green flag is clicked, switch the backdrop to underwater. One minute. Okay. So if during using next backdrop in the block, this block changes the stage to the next background image. It is mostly used when one need to change the background in mid story. So how to change background during the mid story? So first of all, we have to put the command section when green flag is clicked. Then in case of looks, switch backdrop to next backdrop. Okay. Then you have to click on the green flag. So when you click on the green flag, the background image changed. Okay. So this way you can change the backdrop. Now, how to add sound effects? Page number 80. How to change sound effects? A movie is incomplete without sound. Sound can be managed using the sound tab, which is located next to the costumes tab. There are some previously stored sound which can be selected. For each selected sound, the number of seconds the sound is active is shown below its name. For example, the water drop sound will play for 26.26 seconds. Okay, 0.26 seconds. The sound can be added, edited, and deleted. Let's know how. So adding a sound effect. A sound effect can be added using the following options. Choose the sound. This option opens the Scratch sound library. Record. One can be record their voice, any other sound, and add it to the program using this option. Surprise, a random sound can be selected from the Scratch sound library. Upload sound. Sound can be imported from the computer using this option. The sound library has many options for the sound effects available in the Scratch that can be used in the program. We can check the sound by hovering the mouse over the play icon. So let's see how we can add sound effects. So just click on sound. Okay. Then watch figure 6.7. Your water drop sound. When we play it, there is a water drop sound appeared here. Bite. Again water drop. Okay. So we can play faster. We can play slower the sound. We can fade the sound. All the sound related things appeared here. If we want to add the sound, we have to just choose the sound, then, or we can also record it. Okay, we can also record the sound here. This option gives us choose a sound, record a sound, surprise. By clicking it, any random sound will be added to the story. All the sounds are available here. Here animal related sounds, here effect, loops, notes, precautions, space, sport, voice, wacky. These type of sounds are also available here. Dog, winky, tropical birds, moo, mew, goose, gallop, dog. This type of voice sounds are also available here. Okay, you can add this sound here. Here ocean wave, we can add ocean wave. It is added to the story. Now editing sound. The sound editor gives us the following option. First one is faster. Here you can watch it. Here is faster and slower. The faster and slower option increase or decrease the speed of sound respectively. Okay, the sound playing sound is already fixed in a predefined pattern. So by clicking on faster, we can speed up the, we can increase the speed of the sound. Second, louder and softer. Here, louder and softer. Options increase or decrease the volume of the sound. Okay, while playing the sound, you can click on the louder. Here, you can see that the wavelength of the given sound increasing. By clicking on softer, the wavelength is decreasing. The fade in and fade out options slowly increase or slowly decrease the volume of the sound respectively. So while playing the sound, if you click on fade in, it starts from slow sound and increases gradually. If you click on fade out, then it starts slowly. Okay, and again in middle, we can hear it loudly, and after some time, it sound also decreases to a certain point and fade away. The robot options gives a robot-like voice to the sound. Okay, the robot options give a robot-like voice to the sound. If we click on this type of sound, then when we click on robot, you can change that. Some changes are done. Okay. The reverse option play the sound in reverse. Okay. The reverse option play the sound in reverse. Now sound blocks. The sound block option enables us to add sound effect in our program. These following blocks control the playing of these sounds. First one is play sound ocean wave. Play sound ocean wave until done. This block is used to play a sound, wait for it to finish playing, and then carry on with the next line in the script code. Second one is start sound ocean wave. This block is used to play the sound in background alongside the running the rest of the lines of the code. Next, stop all sounds. This block is used to cancel all sound currently playing. Set volume to 100. This block is used to set a sprite volume to a certain percentage level. Change volume by -10. This block used to change the sprite's volume by the specified amount. Let's see. During this code, using this code while we can add sounds here, ocean wave. Okay. After adding the sound wave, here click on sounds. First one is play sound ocean wave. Here you have to drag it. It means the ocean wave sound will run in the background. Then start sound ocean wave. Okay. It means while click on the green flag, background changes, sound ocean wave will run. Stop all sounds. By dragging and dropping this point, all the sound would be stopped. Set volume to 100. Okay. We can set volume to 100 here, or we can change volume to 50%. If you think the volume is little bit louder at a certain step, you can reduce the volume by 10, change the volume by -10. Okay, it means the next volume here, the volume would be appeared as 40. Now adding sound using scratch code. To add sound in the code, follow these steps. Add the sounds to the program from the sound tabs as described previously. Add the start sound or play sound until done blocks, depending on the program's requirement, and select the sound suitable for the backdrop. We can add the sound to our program. We can add the sound to our program either by coding the backdrop or the sprite. The code shown in figure 6.10 will play the ocean wave sound in the backdrop and the bite sound at the end after the costume of the sprite is changed. These completes our short movie. Okay, first of all, when green flag is clicked, start sound ocean wave. Start sound ocean wave. Switch costume to Shark 2A. Switch costume. Where is costume? Switch costume to Shark 1A, Shark 2A. Point in direction 90. Point in direction 90. Glide 3 seconds to fish. Glide 2 seconds to, we have to put a fish sprite here. Okay. Animals and put a fish here. So let's start again. Motion, events. When green flag is clicked, start sound ocean wave, switch costume to shark 2A, point in direction 90, glide 2 seconds to fish. Next costume, start sound bite. Click sound, click on bite. Okay, the bite is selected. Click on code, click on sound, start sound bite, start sound bite. So you have to put the fish here. Okay, then click it again. Put the shark here, click it. Okay, again. So whenever we click on the green flag, the shark follows the fish and try to eat it. Okay.